thanks so much for dropping by the Pinnovate YouTube site. My name is Shama, and today I will be showing you how to make a small macrame wall hanging, which is this piece right here. So if you go to the Pinnovate website, you're able to purchase the kit that comes along with this tutorial. So you will be getting pre-cut rope and a dowel that comes along with these instructions. So let's begin. So let's set up your station. So in order to set up your station, you just need to put a string over your dowel. Just tie a string on both ends of your dowel and find a hook on the wall and place it against the wall and hang it on your hook, and you can work from that station. Or if you have a drying rack just like mine, this is just a regular clothing rack or a drying rack, whichever you have at home, make use of it. Get creative. So what I did is hang ropes onto it, make sure that it's tightly knotted and secure, and then I just hang my dowel onto it, and this will be in my workstation for today as I show you the tutorial. Let's get started. So for this project, you will need 16 pieces of pre-cut rope at about 8 feet long. We are going to attach the rope onto the dowel by using the lark's head knot. In order to accomplish that, you will need to fold your ropes in half, just like this. Fold it half in equal lengths. Now grab the half that has a loop on it, bring it over your dowel, and grab the other end and feed it through the loop. Pull and pull, and make sure that it's secure on your dowel. So repeat this process 16 times. Knot, you would want to go ahead with the square knot. And square knot is very much like a weaving knot because it provides structure to your macrame piece. So what you would want to do is work with groups of 4. So grab 4 ropes beginning from your left hand side working towards your right. So take a group of 4 ropes, form a P with your outer right, bring it over the 2 middle rope and under the outer left rope, and grab the outer left rope, bring it under the 2 middle rope and through the loop. Hold that tightly. Now repeat the process, but begin with the left outer rope, forming a number 4, bringing it over the 2 middle rope and under the outer right rope. Take this outer right rope, bring it underneath the 2 middle rope and through the loop. And now you have the square knot. Note that this knot is a 2-part knot, so you need to complete the P and the 4 before you proceed to the second set of 4 ropes. So again, form a P, bring it over the 2 under the last rope, grab the outer left rope, bring it under the 2 middle rope and through the loop. Repeat the process on the other side. You should have 8 square knots across. Now we're going to do an alternating square knot, which is basically taking 2 ropes from each square knots that have already been made. So just repeat the process. Form a P, and then form a 4, and try to go all the way across, completing 7 square knots in total. Okay. So once you have that completed, repeat another row of alternating square knots by grabbing this two and this two, which are from existing knots. And repeat this process 8 times, so you should have 8 square knots across. After the third row of alternating square knots, we are now going to make the middle piece, which is the diamond. So in order to do that, you would want to do 3 square knots from the outer left and right side towards the middle. So you don't want to complete it all the way across, you just want to do 3 alternating square knots towards the middle. So I'm going to start from the left, 1, 2, and then 3. And I'm going to repeat this process on the left side. So 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, so let's repeat more alternating square knots by going 1, 2, 3 towards the middle. Same process on the other side. 1, 2, 3 towards the middle. And you can notice that the first half of the diamond is starting to take shape. So now we are going to continue with the diamond by repeating the alternating square knot, but now instead of 3, we are doing 2 square knots across towards the middle. 1, 2. Repeat the process on the other side. 1 and 2. Okay, so now you see the upper half of the diamond completed. So in order to give definition to that diamond, what you would want to do is another square knot by taking all of these ropes in the middle. So you should have 6 ropes on the left side and 6 ropes on the right side. So what you would want to do is make a square knot, but instead of having 4 ropes, you would be having 12 ropes in total. So take the outer right rope, form the letter P, bring it over the middle ropes and under the outer left rope. Now take the outer left rope, bring it underneath all of those middle ropes and through the P. Knot it, just like so. Make sure to not make it too tight, just tight enough to provide definition. Repeat the process on the other side. Form a 4 over the middle ropes, take the outer right rope, bring it under the middle ropes and through the 4. Pull, 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 and you should have something that looks like this. It's basically a big square knot. Okay, so in order to complete this project, you would want to continue making your square knots. So you would want to do alternating square knots by going 1 square knot, 2 square knot, and 3 square knots. So you see that you have 2 ropes right here. What you would want to do is take 2 ropes from the middle big square knot that we just made. Okay, and you would want to create a square knot. Just like that. Now repeat the process on the other side. One square knot, 2 square knots, take this too and add 2 more ropes from the big square knot that we just made. And you should have something that looks like this. Now as you make the piece, you do notice that the more you weave, the more this kind of pulls together. So just readjust the rope in order for the piece to be as symmetrical as possible. Okay? So now let's continue with our square knots. So now that we've done 1, 2, 3, 4 square knots across, the alternating square knots across, you would want to add 1 more alternating square knot across. Now that you've done 4 alternating square knots across, what you would want to do is taper down, creating a V. So in order to accomplish that, you would want to consistently take 2 from each side. So in this case, since there is no, so in this case you would want to take off 4. You would want to take off 4. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for joining me in this tutorial. I hope that you learned basic macrame knots and that you had fun making this piece as much as I did. So remember, you can make the fringe however short or however long that you would want it to be. Also, you can add as many knots as you want. You can make this piece as short as you want or as long as you want. And the diamond pattern as well can be however size that you would like. You've noticed that at the end of the tutorial, I added 2 additional rows to the V pattern right here because I had enough rope to make those additions. So play around with it, be creative with knotting. Macrame doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be a reflection of your creativity. So thanks so much once again for coming along